The high level of interest, or just to go back, I've been seeing international investors coming to Spain in 2010, in 2011, every 6 months you would have a wave of international investors coming to assess the market, the opportunities, the possibility to deploy capital, to find a local partner, etc., etc. And this has been proving, well, number one, the macro landscape was not just ready yet. According to their opinion, the risk was too high in some years. But also, when many of these investors decided to play the Spanish real estate cycle, in many cases they have found out that it's a tough market to invest in and deploy capital meaningfully. And basically there was no way to play the market through the listed property without assuming significant risk, as the existing companies at the time were not in best shape from a capital structure point of view. Once these vehicles have appeared in the market or have been an option for many of these investors to play basically what many see as a macro call. There's a specialist investors in real estate, but there's also generalists who have a very clear view on the macro call in the Spanish market. They've seen this as a ideal opportunity to finally deploy some meaningful capital, and they've been actually able to choose between different management teams, structures, etc., that have come up to market. And to your question on whether they will be successful going forward, well, the companies that have come to market have long track records, and so far, they are, as Patricio was mentioning, they are deploying the capital, and it remains to be seen, which vehicles will be more successful than others, or will be raising and growing significant additional capital. But there's no reason to think they will not be.